Investing in Kotak Business Cycle Fund comes with a host of benefits, the foremost being that the fund follows a dip in and dip out, meaning it enters sectors when they are about to grow and exits before they decline strategy of investing in sectors and companies within them, catching business cycles when it is expected to provide optimum return on investment. The fund follows a disciplined and well-researched methodology to identify economic trends and choosing sectors and the companies within these sectors to invest in. It can move between better performing sectors, ensuring that the stocks thrive in various business cycle stages. Here are the top 5 reasons to invest in the Kotak Business Cycle Fund. Number 1. The Kotak Business Cycle Fund keeps investors ahead of the curve through experienced fund managers who use their domain knowledge and past business trends to proactively identify investment options and companies where the exposure needs to be reduced. Number 2. Unlike investing in multiple sectoral funds separately, this fund offers tax efficiency. You get exposure to 5 core growth sectors through just one fund, meaning you pay tax on redemption for only one fund instead of managing tax implications across multiple sectoral investments. Number 3, the fund's forecast assesses the business cycle's position and direction compared to the overall economic trend and takes investment decisions accordingly. Number 4, investing in Kotak Business Cycle Fund has a direct correlation with valuations as investors can aim to potentially benefit from higher earnings and better valuation multiples during a business upcycle. Number 5, and last but not the least, since the fund invests across a concentrated set of sectors with growth potential, investors get an inbuilt diversification in their portfolio by investing in a single fund. The Kotak Business Cycle Fund gives investors an opportunity to time the market, hedges them against business cycles, offers inbuilt diversifications, and lowers volatility, leading to potentially alpha returns. Don't let market timing decisions overwhelm you. Let the professional handle sector rotation while you enjoy the benefits of professional portfolio management. Start your investment journey with Kotak Business Cycle Fund today and experience the power of strategic sector allocation. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.